Hello Stampers, my name is Janet Pride and I am coming to you from Chattanooga, Tennessee. I am a Stampin' Up demonstrator and today I'm going to show you how to create a couple of cards using our incolors. Actually now it's 12 by 12. So these big papers right here, they used to be 6 by 6, now they're 12 by 12. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you some cards using these colors. They are the incolors for 2026 through 2028. So we have, today I'm going to be using the Crisp Cantaloupe, the Golden Glow, and the Hydrangea Hue. They also have the Peaceful Pine and the Barely Blush. So those two I will not be using today. And I'm going to be using these dies today, the Stylish Shapes, and I'll be using this one here and this one for this set that I'm going to show you today. And I'm going to show you the same layout just with different colors, okay? Just kind of I forget what they call it when all the colors are the same, but this is the card. I'm going to make it in the Golden Glow today, but I have already created one in Hydrangea Hue, which is my favorite color, and then this is my second favorite. I love Calypso Crispy Cantaloupe. This is actually paper I had from way back when they used to have the paper before it went out. I used to have the paper. Actually have the old label still here. So Crisp Cantaloupe, sorry, is I said the wrong name, but it's Crisp Cantaloupe. And I still had a stash of paper from that, so I'm good to go for a little bit. And I'm glad I saved it. I used to love this color as well. So I created this one and this one, and today I'm going to create this one with you on the screen here. I do not have Calypso Corals ink, so today I use, not Calypso Coral, sorry, I keep calling this color different, something else. Crisp Cantaloupe ink. So I use Calypso Coral. What I did is I stamped it once and then stamped it again on this. So that way it kind of took some of the ink away, so it kind of matches, right? It looks pretty cool. So for these, I use these little pearlized faceted circles for both of these. So notice I use the colored ones here at the bottom here, and then for the Hydrangea Hue I use the white ones, and they kind of change with the colors of the paper, okay? And then I have the ribbon for those two papers. I don't have the ribbons for this one, but we'll use an alternative ribbon. That will be no problem, okay? All right, so let's put these aside. And so these are the two inks I have so far. I mean, the two ribbons I have so far. I still need to get the other three. But these are the colors I have. And today I'll be using this one, still available. I think it's like white with gold or something like that is called. It's pretty nice ribbon. So we'll use this one today for our card. Okay, so the card is going to be a regular A2 size card. I've already laid out the inside of the card with the, this is actually 5 1/4 by 4 and 5 1/2 by 4 1/4. And then the inside is going to be 5 1/4 by 4, okay? And then this layout here will be the same thing, 5 1/4 by 4. To go in the outside of my card. Next week I'll be showing you some cards using the new product of the month. I've been creating some things with that, so I want to make sure I get those in before it's too late, right? All right, then in this one I'm going to use this paper here layout. So we'll put that on the background, our stripes. Okay, and we'll put it like so. Just gonna have a tiny edge around the edges. So this one here is 5 1/4 by 4. So this one inside will be 5 7/8. No, sorry. Let me see. 5 1/8 by 3 7/8. Okay, for this way here. All right, and then I'm going to lay this out here. You can use this side if you like, you know, or you can use this side. I'm going to use this one just to make it a little different. I haven't used that side with this in the front yet. So let's use the big polka dots in the front instead of the little polka dots. I'm going to stick those right here. Get down a little bit. All right, and then for this one, I've already created my circle. And today's stamp that I'm using is one that I just got, and I really like it. It's so cute. I'm going to start creating some stuff with this, but I'm going to use Grateful for Your Friendship for this one. And I'm going to use the new ink pads. They're so cute. I love these. They stick together and they're like magnetized. So it's pretty cool. And you can separate them as well. So works pretty well. All right, so let's do our, put some paper on here so we don't get ink anywhere in case, and then just put them together back again. It's pretty cool. All right, so that's for our tag, and I'm going to put some multi-purpose glue here on the back, and then I'll put some dimensionals in the back of this one to kind of pop it up. Okay, so we'll use some of these here. I'll go here. I'll go right here. Coming right up here to the side. So we'll put a dimensional here, here. If you know me, I only use half dimensionals. Almost everything I do. That way the dimensionals last me a little longer. It's just all about being kind of economical. So my stuff will last me a little longer than usual. Oh, I shouldn't have taken those out yet. So I got too excited. Okay, sorry. So let's do these first. What I'm doing here is I'm going to put this on the back, and I'm going to tape it with some tape. So I will put this here in the back, tape it down. This part nobody will see, so it'll be just fine. And then this side we're going to cut here a little bit and then bring it over. So this kind of ribbon kind of goes along with it because it's goldy, and this is supposed to be golden glow paper, so I'm just using this one because I don't have the actual ribbon that goes with this, but it works. I think it works really well. Okay, so I'm going to put some more multi-purpose glue here and stick it to my paper. Last week I was not able to post a video. Many things happened last week, and I was out of town, and then there were some things that happened that did not allow me to do anything. So I apologize if you were looking for my video, but I am back. I am back this week. So I'm going to put this in here, and then I'm just going to tie a knot with it. And it's going to look like it's a bow, but it's actually not a bow. It's just actually a knot. And we'll kind of catty corner it at an angle here so it won't shred on me. This one looks like it's about to shred. Oh no. Okay. Then this will go here to the side. Very nice. There you go. And then I'm going to still use these, but I'm going to use the white ones. So put a white one here and a little white one down at the bottom, and then a white one at the top. There we go. Aren't these so cute? I love these. I love this. What is a monochromatic cards, kind of using two specific colors like white and hydrangea hue, or white and golden glow, or white and crisp cantaloupe. So which one do you like? Which one's your favorite? So in this one, I noticed I used the pattern, this pattern in the back on this one. And then I hadn't used this pattern in the front yet, so I wanted to try that. And then this pattern is in the back. I didn't do the polka dots anywhere else, but the polka dots are really cute as well. All right, in the inside, I just basically put the white, basic white with a little strip of, or you can put your strip going down this way, whichever you like. Very good. Thank you so much for coming tonight, and I hope you enjoy this video and you'll be able to create some of these cards using this paper, or you can use your own paper if you like to use your own paper for this layout. All right. Thank you so much. I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye. God bless.